As the professor walked around the cages, she found the language truly outrageous. She stood there amazed. Her eyes
cool.
started tearing.
I'm not taking
I can't believe all these sounds I am hearing. Who ever heard of pigs that say neigh? Neigh, neigh. Or monkeys that shamelessly stand there and bray? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Lions that crow? Goats that bark? And a cat. Worst of all, a cow that says meow? Meow, meow. This is just awful. I'll have to correct. It's really much worse than I ever expected.